Should the government have paid energy credits to householders in the last budget? It's a controversial subject. The credits were withdrawn in this latest budget last October, despite being paid for a number of years. In total, households got about €1,500 in energy credits since 2022, and they went to about 2.2 million households. But it has emerged that Department of Energy officials argued strongly before the budget that there should be a continuation of the energy credits. They realised that energy prices were going up again, having fallen previously. And just as this advice was being prepared for Minister Dara O'Brien, SSC Electricity, Pinergy, Bord Gáis and Energia increased their prices. Documents obtained by Lynn Boylan, the Sinn Féin MEP, show that the officials were arguing strongly that the lower rate of VAT should stay on energy bills, electricity bills. That was kept all right. And also that the energy credits should be paid again. But the government decided not to pay the energy credits. She reckons, paying the energy credits will go a long way to helping families cope with energy prices, which have gone way up in the last while. The government say, they acknowledge there's pressure on high energy costs are causing pressure for households and businesses, but their main aim is to ensure that energy is affordable and the prices come down. But this one looks like it's going to continue to be controversial for a while yet. Really, it was the wrong time to withdraw energy credits. That's the argument being made here.